Okay, hello, good morning to all. Students, today we are going to start chapter, that is chapter number 3. That is chapter number 3. Name is share and dividend. Okay, so first, in our mind, what is the shares, right? Share is a company release. Share is a company releases share to build some capital. Capital means some amount, right? For the expansion of the business means when the when a business maker expands your business, right? So he need to some money, right? So how to arrange the money through the shares. He distribute the shares in market, right? So that is the reason behind it, to the businessman capture the money. Okay, yeah, you can say collects the money to start up your business. Okay, so here are two important terms, that is nominal value, and that is market value. Okay, what is nominal value? Nominal value, fixed price, does not change, means which which business when सपोज दैट एक बिजनेसमैन ने अपने जो कंपनीज के लिए सेल्स उसने सेपरेट डिस्ट्रीब्यूट किए, तो सो लेट सपोज ही हैड अ फिक्स्ड प्राइस, राइट, दैट इज 100 रुपीज. Okay, so this price are fixed through the business maker. Okay, so this value is known as nominal value, that is fixed price and does not change. This value is non does not change बिकॉज ये एक बार जो आपका बिजनेस मेकर था, जो बिजनेस पर्सन था, उसने एक बार इसकी वैल्यू आइडेंटिफाई कर ली, सो दिस इज द फाइनल वैल्यू. ओके, व्हेन द शेयर्स आर इन मार्केट, इन कम्स इनटू द मार्केट, जब शेयर्स मार्केट में आएगा, राइट, सो ट्रेडर्स इसकी मार्केट वैल्यू को फिक्स करेंगे, राइट. सो व्हेन वी shares are comes in the market, then the traders are fix the value, this market value. So this is known as market value. Change time to time, जो आपकी time to time change होगी, means कैसे, if the if the business are in profit, अगर business profit में रहेगा, right, so business profit में रहेगा तो आपका शेयर्स के जो रेट्स होंगे, राइट, तो शेयर के रेट क्या होंगे, अगर बिजनेस आपका प्रॉफिट में रहेगा तो इसकी मार्केट वैल्यू क्या होगी, इंक्रीज होगी, राइट. इफ मार्केट वैल्यू इंक्रीज होगी तो यू विल ऑब्वियसली ट्रेडर्स जो है वो मार्केट वैल्यू को इंक्रीज करेंगे. इफ द मार्केट वैल्यू इज डाउन, मीन्स मार्केट वैल्यू इज डाउन, इट मीन्स योर बिजनेस विल बी डाउन. Okay, your business is going also down. Okay, so the market value is fixed the business. When the business is profit, then it's increasing. When the business is down, those it's decreasing, right? Okay, so here are also three technical uses. When the market price is equals to nominal value, nominal value means fixed value, and the second name is nominal value is known as also face value. Okay, so we are using the word in questions. You have when we are solving the questions, then you look this was in question directly. Okay, so when if you are not understand this these terminologies, so you are to face the difficulties when you solve the question, right? So market value is equals to nominal value, then you use in question we use as per. Okay, so when market value is greater than nominal value, means market value is greater than nominal value, so we use above, per, or at a premium, right? We use the word at a premium or above, per, right? So when we market value is less than nominal value, market value will be is the less than value, then we use below per, right? At a discount, or second word is at a discount. Okay, so and now let's look at some important formulas. Important formula is dividend, right? So first is dividend. How to find the dividend? Dividend find to number of shares into dividend percent into nominal value. Okay, And how to find the dividend percent? Dividend percent is dividend upon investment into 100. And total investment, we find this formula, number of shares into nominal values. Okay. So now we are going to some okay, let's look one example, one formula also. When we find number of share, number of share, so you can create a formula for of number of share, that is means total investment upon nominal value. Okay. So what is the dividend? Okay, we have to define the formula to how to find the dividend and dividend percent. So what is the dividend? Let's understand what is the dividend. Okay, DIVE and TED. Okay, let's put DIVE, spelling mistake हो रही है, DENT. What is the dividend? Okay, like suppose when we have हमारे पास शेयर है 100 रुपीज का. Okay, so it will after the selling, we have 120. So 20 rupees is dividend. 20 rupees is dividend. Okay, means कंपनी का शेयर जो 100 रुपीज है, अगर वो 120 कलेक्ट करता है तो that is 20 is dividend. और डिविडेंड का सेकंड मीनिंग क्या है अभी? रिटर्न. Right, we have to know the as the second name is, that is return. Means कितना रिटर्न हुआ? 20 रिटर्न हुआ. Okay, and second is income, and one name also have income. Okay, so three names are known as dividend. Right, so we are going to exercise 1A, that is 3A, sorry, 3A, exercise 3A. Okay, so here are the question number first. Okay, let's look. Okay. Question number first is how much? Question number exercise third A. We are going to start third A, and we are taking the question number 1. Here is the question number 1, that is how much money will be required to buy 400. Okay, so 400, it have not any units. कोई भी unit नहीं है इसके पास. It have no any units. So when we have no units, so it means that is the number of shares. So it means that is the number of shares. So you have in questions given, that is number of shares, you have given SHARES is equals to 400 number of shares. Okay, so and how much money will be required? So we have to find the total investment. We have to find total investment and total money, total investment which we are used to bought this share. Okay, investment, total investment we have to find. And what will given? How much money will be required to buy 400 at rupees 12.50 shares at a premium of 1 rupee. Okay, so here are the nominal value. What are the nominal value? Yes, what are the nominal value? This is rupees 12.50 rupees. 12.50 rupees are the nominal value. And what is the market value? You have in questions you have not given the market value, but you are find market value. How? Because here are mentioned at a premium. 12.50 shares at a premium of 1 rupee. Right? So at a premium, still in previous slide we have discussed at a premium. That means market when at a premium, the word when we are using when the market price is greater than nominal value. So here are we have find to market value, that is 12.50 plus 1. Okay, that is 13.50 is the rupees, that is market value. So how to find the a total investment to buy a 400 shares? Yeah, simple, because we have to still, in previous slide we have learned that is how to find the total investment. Yeah, number of shares and nominal value. Okay, nominal value is sorry, market value, because how much money will be required to buy 400 rupees, 400, right? And one share are having 12.50 nominal value, right? So we have to find, हमने find किया तो market value of one share, that is 13.5. So 400 की जो market value होगी, that means multiply. We are simply multiply. We are done multiply. Okay, when we multiply these 50 upon 100, so we cancel out. So when we multiply 4 into 0, 4 5 are 20, 2, and 4 3 are 12, that is 14, and 4 1 are 4, that is 5. So we are required 45,400 rupees to share of 400 shares. Okay, so now move on to question number second. Question number second is saying that how much money will be required by 250 rupees, 250, right? 50 in 250 is not having any unit, so it means the number of shares, and rupees on one share having nominal value is 15 rupees at a discount, right? Here we are using at a discount. At a discount means when we use at a discount, yes, when the nominal value is less than the market value. Sorry, market value is less than the nominal value, then we are using at a discount. Question number 2, right? So we have to number of shares, number of shares is 250. Okay, so here are nominal value is 15 rupees. Okay, so we at a discount, that is we have to use nominal value 15 shares at a discount, that means nominal market value is less than nominal value, so market value will be 15 minus 1.50 rupees, so we will get 13.50 rupees, that is market value, and that is nominal value. So total investment, how much money will be required? So total investment will be 250 into 3, 13.50. So multiply these sums. When we are remove the decimal, so we are dividing the 400. Okay, that is this means, and this means. So 25,135 and 25, 5 5 are 25, 5 3 are 15, 2 17, 5 1 are 5 and 6, 2 5 are 10, 3 2 are 6 and 7, 3 2 are 1, 5 7, 6 6 12 and 13 3. So it will be 3375 rupees. Okay, now check the calculation, and so we have to require money. We have to require total money, that is 3,375 rupees, right? So move on to question number third. Question number third is saying that a person buys 120 shares at a nominal value of 400 each. Okay. Okay, that is question number third. Question number third is find a person buys 120 shares, right? So number of shares is 120. Okay, at a nominal value. So what is the nominal value? Nominal value is 40 each. Okay, so for one share is the having nominal value, that is 440 rupees, which he sells. Okay, which he sells at 42.50 rupees each. Find his profit and profit percent. Okay, so what is the market value? You have given the market value 42.50 rupees. Okay, so here are 2.50 at a premium. Okay, means he मीन्स यहाँ पर आपको बोला गया है पर्सन बाइज 120 शेयर्स एट अ नॉमिनल वैल्यू ऑफ 40 ईच, राइट, विच ही सेल, जिसको बेचता है कितने में 42.50, उसकी मार्केट वैल्यू उसने फिक्स किया है 42.50, इट मीन्स 2.50 एट ए प्रीमियम पे वो अब उसको सेल कर रहा है, राइट, PER. Okay, because here our market value is greater than nominal value. Okay, 2.50, right? So here are, firstly we find the cost price of the shares. So share we have to cost price, that is 120 into nominal value 40. So when we calculate them, we have to find 4800 rupees, that is cost price. And now we have to find selling price, that is 120 share number of shares, and the market price, that is 520. So this will be the selling price. And when we solve the problems, 120 into 4250 upon 100, so 101010, 12 5 ja, so we get 5100 rupees. Okay, this is cost price and this is selling price. So when we have to find the profit, what was the profit? Profit is selling price minus cost price, right? That was the that will be the profit, 5100 minus 4800. So what will be the answer? Answer is 300 rupees. So he will get 300 rupees at a profit. Okay, so now we have to check, second one is profit percentage. So now we have to check, that is profit percent. Profit percent is profit upon cost price into 100. When we cost price is 300, so when we cancel out, that is 3 to 4 3 100 times, and 4 3 16 times, 16 just yes. So we will get 100 upon 16, and when we divide 116 by 2, that is by 4, 25, and 4 4 ja 16, that is 25 upon 4. Okay, so when we convert it mixed fraction, that is 6 ratio 6 whole 1 by 4% we will get. Okay, so that will be the answer, and that will the profit percentage, and that is the profit. Okay, so now your homework will question number 4, because question number 4 is so easy. Find the cost of 85 shares of 60 rupees each when executed at 63.25 means find the cost of आपको you have to find the cost price of 85 shares. Okay, when the nominal value of share cost price nominal value of share is 60 rupees and it's converted into 63.25 means 63.25 is the market value, then the simply we have to find total investments is equals to by multiplying 85 and market value, you will get the answer. Okay, same as question number 5, a man invests 800 in buying 5 rupees 5 share. Okay, rupees 5 share, and when they are selling at a premium that is 1.115, he sells all the shares, find his profit and profit percent. So you will do at your home question number 4, question number 5, and question number, okay, right, and do practice more these 3 questions. Okay, so tomorrow we will discuss the chapter number 6, exercise question number 7, 6, 7, 8, 9, right? Okay, thank you.